How to encrypt data on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep your Android data completely private, let me show you how to encrypt everything on your phone including your cloud backups so only you can access it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, scroll up from the bottom of the screen and tap on the settings to open it. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as security and privacy. And now from here, keep on scrolling and tap on more security settings. And now here in this section, you will see the option called enhanced data protection. So simply tap on that. This feature helps you to encrypt everything backed up to the cloud, contacts, messages, app data. So no one can read it without your credential. So to enable it, just flip the switch and enter the password for your Samsung account. And you will also want to turn on encrypt sync data, and again you will need to enter your password to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can encrypt data on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.